kids! You are watching our channel Kiddos Fun World. Today we will learn about names of different parts of our body. Parts of body, do you know? Do you know? From head to toes, from head to toes. Let's start. Parts of body, do you know? Do you know? From head to toes, from head to toes. Let's start. Let's start.
Head. Head. This is my head. Touch your head. Hairs. Hairs. These are my hairs. Face. Face. This is my face. Forehead. Forehead. This is my forehead. Eyes. Eyes. These are my eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. These are my eyebrows. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. These are my eyelashes. Nose. Nose. This is my nose. Mouth. Mouth. This is my mouth. Lips. Lips. These are my lips. Teeth. Teeth. These are my teeth. Tongue. Tongue. This is my tongue. Cheeks. Cheeks. These are my cheeks. Ears. Ears. These are my ears. Chin. Chin. This is my chin. Neck. Neck. This is my neck. Shoulders. Shoulders. These are my shoulders. Arm. Arm. These are my arms. Elbow. Elbow. This is my elbow. Hand. Hand. These are my hands. Wrist. Wrist. This is my wrist. Palm. Palm. This is my palm. Fingers. Fingers. These are my fingers. Thumb. Thumb. This is my thumb. Chest. Chest. This is my chest. Stomach. Stomach. This is my stomach. Leg. Leg. These are my legs. Thigh. Thigh. This is my thigh. Knees. Knee. This is my knee. Foot. Foot. This is my foot. Ankle. Ankle. This is my ankle. Heel. Heel. This is my heel. Toe. Toe. These are my toes. Let's revise with me. Here, head, face, eye, ear, nose, teeth, mouth, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, hand, elbow, finger, stomach, leg, knee, foot, toe.
I hope you have learned the names of your body parts with lots of enjoyment. So, see you in the next video of Kiddos Fun World. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye bye, kiddos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching us.